how to analyze your listing in your competitor listing. So let's get started. So practically, so now, for example, this is my listing or my competitor listing. Now I analyze over this listing. So copy the product SN, now we paste. Here is run analyze. When we run analysis, we paste this like dashboard. So the product listing quality score is 7.1 and the price of this product is 17.99 and stock is 9.99 and the review count of 9038. So its sale estimation overview and yesterday's sale is 0.00 and previous day is 1.62.41. So this is the sale graph you see slowly and now a zero sale and category and subcategory BSR. So the category analyze usually here are some know very well. And usually the product and the category analyze very well. Listing quality score. This is a really important section in this. So title does not contain symbol or emoji. Yes. Title contain 150 plus characteristics. No. At 5 bullet point, no. 150 plus characteristic is in bullet point, no. First letter of bullet point is capitalized, yes. A bullet point or not or in caps ornamented icon, no. 100,000 plus characteristic in description or L plus content, yes. So media breakdown of this SN 1000 cross 1000 px. Yes. Main image is a white background. Yes. 7 plus image. Yes. So included video? No. If you want to this like product, we 100% recommend video. Review breakdown 20 plus. Yes. So competitor analysis. The sale of this SN is 1,752 and the top 5 competitive average is a 4221 and revenue of 27 and this in 27382.52 and the top 5 competitor average is 432371 and price of this usually 17.99 and top competitor average price is 10.26. BSR as a 3001 very well BSR and the top 5 competitor BSR is 9204. Number of review as this is a 9038. A top competitor review is a 3960. Rating very well also 4.5 and the top competitor rating is 4.5. So the top keyword, the keyword that this product is ranking for in the customer search bar. So this is the high keyword sponge silverware, a soap sponge stainless steel, and soap sponge sheet and back sponge and silver sponge. These are the high keyword that this product is ranking for. So thank you very much for watching this video.